In a significant political and legal development in West Bengal, the Calcutta High Court today refused to grant interim relief in a petition challenging the Speaker's decision, appointing rebel TMC MLA Mamata Banerjee as the leader of opposition in the West Bengal Assembly. The court's ruling means that the Speaker's decision will continue to remain in force for now, and Mamata Banerjee will continue in the post. Notably, the case was heard by Justice Krishna Rao on a petition filed by senior TMC leader Shoban Chattopadhyay, a close aide of former Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Chattopadhyay had challenged the Speaker's decision, arguing that the official party decision had been ignored and that he was legitimate nominee for the post of leader of opposition. During the hearing, the court observed that it did not find a prima facie case in favor of the petitioner and refused to pass any interim order. The bench clearly stated that the interim order is refused, thereby declining to stay the Speaker's appointment. The court also directed all the respondents to file their replies within 3 weeks and allowed the petitioner 2 weeks thereafter in order to submit a response. Well, the matter has now been listed for further hearing on July 28, and the dispute stems from internal divisions within the TMC following its electoral setback in the recent West Bengal Assembly elections. According to the petition, the party held a legislative meeting on May 6 shortly after the election results were declared on May 4, in which Shoban Chattopadhyay was reportedly nominated as the leader of opposition. Well, this decision was then communicated to the Speaker's office. However, the Speaker sought formal documentation, including a resolution and minutes of the meeting. And subsequently, another meeting was held on May 19, after which the party submitted the required resolution and attendance records. And despite this, the Speaker reportedly recognized Mamata Banerjee as the leader of opposition, relying on support that is extended by a group of rebel TMC MLAs. And this move triggered strong objections from the party leadership, leading Chattopadhyay to approach the Calcutta High Court. And during earlier hearings, the court had observed that the Speaker appeared inclined to accept the decision of the rebel group of MLAs in appointing their own leader of opposition rather than the candidate officially chosen by the party. The bench had also rejected arguments suggesting that Mamata Banerjee's expulsion from the party was irrelevant, noting that such developments could have legal and procedural consequences once communicated to the Speaker. The controversy intensified after the TMC reportedly expelled Mamata Banerjee on June 1 on the charges of anti-party activities. And despite this, he continued to enjoy support from a faction of MLAs, with reports suggesting that as many as 58 legislators backed his claim to the post of the leader of opposition, further deepening internal divisions within the party. And with the High Court refusing interim relief, the Speaker's decision remains valid for the time being, and no immediate change will be made to the current arrangement in the West Bengal Assembly. The court has made it clear that all the arguments will be examined in detail during the next hearing that is scheduled for July 28, when further affidavits and responses will be submitted by both the sides. And the development marks a political setback for the TMC leadership, already grappling with internal rifts following its electoral performance, and has added a new dimension to the ongoing power struggle within the party's legislative ranks. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.